chest, tell them withdraw the cash limit. 24 hours to live, this my last minute. I hope you got my bag with the cash in it, otherwise I grab this bag, beat your ass with it. I used to live my life in the past with it, now I got a future cause my rhymes spit acidic. This entertainment, no signal when I switch lanes. The dope smacked him in the face like Rick James. Holla just to talk with the 5 fingers. Courtside, move with them samurai ninjas. In the darkness, you cheaper than talkers. We dealing with offers, practice be the process. This for my 9 to 5ers, man, fuck the bosses. You gotta be your own, soon see me on the throne. You bow down and get your head in the guillotine. I see my whole life already, it's like I'm in a dream. Hey, pass that paper like a relay. You saw my pimpin' ass way, time to repay. From G.O., my rep works like rebate. My shit strong on a weekday all the time. So pass that paper like a relay. You saw my pimpin' ass way, time to repay. From G.O., my rep works like rebate. My shit strong on a weekday all the time. I be deeper than Moses, schooled by Sam Ross-Stain. I seen the numbers you lost and lack focus. High when I wrote this track is straight dopeness. Small doses, enough to leave you in a psychosis. They all shooting these days, no typo shit. Left the surgery, the dog had a slice open. Shell cases in the street, you might notice. Young Pie May put up in a white Lotus. Now who really wanna fuck with the rollers? I cut the snake's head off for you boas. Try to constrict a hit with the bow and arrow, dip the venom with the blood of the cobras. Wake up, I'm too dope to be slept on. This that uncut, too raw to be stepped on. Round spitter, the pop filter is Teflon. Said we ain't fucking the game up, they dead wrong. Hey, pass that paper like a relay. You saw my pimpin' ass way, time to repay.